Hello. I'm going to show you a stretch that'll help to relieve the low back. Really good if you've been doing a lot of driving, sitting, have lower back tension. The first thing you'll want to do is to determine which side of your pelvis is pulling forward or is out of line more from the other one. So you can feel and look at yourself to determine that. Once you determine which one is moving forward, we're going to use a strap to rotate it and pull it back a little bit. So you'll need a strap, you'll need a block for this. The strap will go around the thighs, that's where it's going to end up going. And the block will go long ways up in between the thighs. So once you got it there, even that in and of itself may start to create some relief within the low back as the abs start to lift and work in conjunction with your back muscles. And then you're going to take the strap and you're going to put it right in the middle of the thighs or slightly higher. Determine what feels good for you. And you want the tail side to be towards the side of the pelvis that's pulling forward. So then you can start to pull it the other way. You can even take the strap on the other side and use that arm just to gently begin to create some rotation. Make sure your feet are even with each other. And then just engage up through the abs, lifting through the abs, thinking of the transverse starting to stretch across, and lengthening through the back muscles. Now typically whatever side may be pulling front, you may have some shortness between the rib and the pelvis. You can do that little check. And once you're there, you can even do another stretch, and that is taking the arm of the pelvis part that's pulling forward, grabbing onto the wrist gently and lengthening, and thinking of lengthening from the bottom rib to the top of the pelvis, lengthening up. You can do that on both sides, lengthening up. And taking your time with it, doing it for as long as you'd like. And then a couple other options you can do with this then are doing cat-cow and doing downward facing dog, both with that strap and with this block inside the legs, and that will help in helping to relieve some low back pain.